Ever scratch your head wondering where all your dough went by month's end? Picture yourself as Sherlock Holmes of the financial world, and every penny you spend is a clue to crack the most mind-boggling mystery of all, the Enigma of Moolah. The plot thickens with every latte you sip, every grocery haul, and each surprise expense. But hey, don't sweat it. In this labyrinth of financial conundrums, you're not without your gizmos. Getting the hang of personal finance is your secret weapon, your magic decoder to the cryptic universe of bucks and pennies. And our first step in solving this money mystery, drafting a budget. Yes, a budget is more than a boring spreadsheet. It's your treasure map to the El Dorado of financial stability. It helps you chase the money trail, keep tabs on every stray dollar, and uncover the whys and hows of your spending habits. Just like Sherlock, you need clues to solve this money mystery. And your budget, it's your magnifying glass, folks. So how do you craft this all-seeing glass, this budget? Let's kickstart building our budget blueprint, shall we? Picture it like constructing a Lego house. You wouldn't start building without a manual, right? Same goes for your budget. Step 1. Identifying income. This is your base. It's like the Lego base plate. It's steady, it's firm, and it's what keeps your Lego tower upright. Your income is everything that brings moolah into your piggy bank. This could be from your 9-to-5 side hustles or even that birthday cash your grandma insists on mailing every year. Next, we scoot to step 2. Listing expenses. These are your Lego bricks. They're essential, but they can also build a wall around you if you're not careful. Expenses are everything you spend money on, from your avocado toast to your Netflix subscription. It's vital to track these as they dictate how much of your dough remains for the final step. Lastly, we have step 3, setting financial goals. This is your Lego roof. It's what shelters you and gives you a direction. Whether it's saving for a Bali trip, paying off student loans, or building an emergency fund, your financial goals steer how you divvy up your remaining dough. And voila, you have your budget blueprint. But remember, a blueprint is zilch without the right assembly. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get ready to turn this blueprint into a Lego masterpiece in the next scene. Now that you have a blueprint, it's time to get your hands dirty. Consider your budget as the base of your financial Lego house. Just as a Lego tower needs a solid base to withstand a toddler's tantrum, your budget provides the stability you need to ride the financial roller coaster. Picture your income as the sturdy Lego bricks and your expenses as the connectors that hold them together. You want to ensure that you're using your bricks wisely, not wasting them on unnecessary connectors. This means keeping your spending on a leash, prioritizing needs over wants, and sidestepping debt, like it's a Lego piece on the floor at midnight. Now let's gab about savings. If your income and expenses are the bricks and connectors, then savings is the protective Lego roof over your financial house. It shields you from unexpected financial hurricanes like job loss, health hiccups, or pricey car repairs. Aim to stash away at least 10 to 20% of your income each month. If that sounds like climbing Everest, remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Every penny counts. Just as you wouldn't build a Lego tower without a manual, you shouldn't navigate your financial future without a budget. It's your blueprint to financial success, helping you allocate resources, rein in spending, and save effectively. And there you have it. You've built a sturdy financial Lego house that will shelter you from the financial thunderstorms. Now, doesn't it feel great to know you're not just building a budget, but a brighter, more secure financial future? But what happens after the Lego house is built? Do you just sit back and watch Netflix? Well, not quite. Like a newly built Lego tower, your budget needs regular checkups and TLC. Think of your budget as your fiscal fortress. Just as you wouldn't let your Lego masterpiece crumble, your budget too needs constant attention. Sure, it may seem like a chore, but keeping your budget in tip-top shape can help you ride out any financial storm. Maybe your income has increased because of that promotion you've been hustling for, or maybe your expenses have gone up because you've decided to adopt a dog. Cute, but pricey. Changes like these need to be reflected in your budget. Just as you'd rebuild a shaky Lego tower, review and update your budget regularly. It's an ongoing process, not a one-time gig. Remember, a well-kept budget is like a well-kept Lego tower. It takes some elbow grease, but it's worth it in the end. So what's the takeaway from this budget roller coaster? We've unraveled the importance of budgeting, understanding it's not just about reining in spending, but shaping your financial future. We've built a budget blueprint, a personalized guide to your dough matters, And we've explored the art of ongoing budget maintenance, because a budget is not a set it and let it gather dust deal. It's a living, breathing entity, just like our financial needs. With your budget in hand, you're now equipped to solve the mystery of your dough. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more sensational financial tips on the Lavish Lux Life channel. Until then, happy budgeting.